There are still a few months before the Samsung Galaxy S25 series launches, but several intriguing speculations regarding its features have already started to circulate. According to a new rumor, the Galaxy S25 Ultra may include a significant RAM boost, with one version having 16 gigs of memory. The S25 Ultra will undoubtedly include a 16 gigs RAM version, according to well-known leaker Ice Universe, who posted on X earlier. There's no need to fear, this is proven 100%. It's unclear from the publication whether the 16 gigs of RAM will be available in all storage options of the S25 Ultra or only in higher-end models like the 512GB or 1TB version, but it's still a significant improvement over the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which only offers 12 gigs of RAM across all storage variants. Similar Action All Pixel 9 PR variants now include 16 gigs of RAM, up from 8 gigs before. Part of this memory is used for eye-related activities. Similar to the Pixel, the Galaxy S25 Ultra may come standard with 16 gigs of RAM, but, as with the Pixel, part of this RAM may be set aside for Galaxy artificial intelligence features, leaving customers with a little less memory for other uses. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are expected to get RAM increases as well, even if Ice Universe's piece concentrates on the Ultra. The standard Galaxy S24 presently only has 8 gigs of RAM, so an upgrade to 12 gigs, similar to the non-Pro Pixel 9, would be a great improvement. The S25 Plus already has 12 gigs of RAM, but it's unclear whether it will be increased to 16 gigs to match the Ultra. In reality, a Samsung tipster has revealed that both the S25 and S25 Plus will ship with 12 gigs of RAM next year. Thus, Samsung may decide to retain the Ultra's larger RAM to preserve its ultra-unique status. With the model number SMS938, you imply that this is most likely the version that will be offered in the US. The new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has surfaced on Geekbench, giving us a first peek at its performance and hardware enhancements. The benchmark results indicate that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra outperformed its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, in terms of single-core performance. The S25 Ultra earned 369 points, whereas the S24 Ultra got 2,143 points. With the S25 Ultra scoring 98 points compared to the S24 Ultra's 6696 points, the contrast in multi-core performance is even more striking. According to these findings, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will provide a significant increase in speed and processing power, making it a formidable competitor for jobs requiring high performance. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.